At the end of the year, Philips moved into its new headquarters on Rundgenstrasse in Hamburg. They took advantage of the move to adapt the workspaces to the company's international standard.
We used the opportunity the new building offered to implement Philips' Global Workplace Innovation Program in Germany for the first time.
There are no permanent desks anymore. The employees can choose their work areas freely according to their needs and activities. The special architecture, the technology, and the lighting support innovative ways of working, encourage communication, accelerate the exchange of ideas, and strengthen the innovative energy of every single Philips employee in Germany. One of the main goals with the building was to create a room structure that adapts to users' changing needs without the need to constantly interfere with the technology. WAGO, FlexROOM, and Winsta offered the ideal solution.
As a manufacturer, we naturally place very great value on energy efficiency, so we implemented a daylight controller and presence-dependent switching.
This meant that Philips can now react flexibly to various requirements and further strengthen innovation in a new working atmosphere.
We're very satisfied with the technical implementation of the lighting solution.